Hello guys, new tutorial. I will show you how to install Odoo 12 on Ubuntu 18.04. So this is my file on Github, which contains all of commands. So let's start. First we must update. Let's copy this and open terminal. And let's start. And then we must upgrade. Step 2, let's copy this. So and it starts to upgrade, please wait. And now let's go to step 3. We must install Python 3. And yes, to continue. And now let's install a dependency for Python 3. And after install a dependency, let's install npm. Okay, file exists. So anyway, no need to create this link. So let's continue. And npm install less plugin clean CSS. And sudo apt get install node less, and yes, to continue. And now step 5. Okay, this package is obsolete. Let's replace it with this. Okay, it is already installed, so we can skip this command. Let's continue now. And change view with gdit. And let's add this line to install Postgres. And save. Let's take the key now. And then we must update. After adding the repository and having the key now and update, now we can install Postgres 9.6. And yes, to continue. Okay, after install Postgres, let's go to creating a user. Step 6. Let's change to user Postgres. And let's create user Odoo. And after create user for Ubuntu username, my username is empty software. And then exit. And now add user Odoo to this group called Odoo. And now let's install gdata. And this for download gdata. And this for extract gdata. That's clear. And sudo. And go inside folder gdata. And Python setup install. And then exit. Step 9, download Odoo 12, not 11. So go inside Odoo. We are already here. and let's install Git if you don't have, and yes to continue. If you have already Git, you can skip the installation of Git. And git clone from the official GitHub of Odoo from branch 12. So it starts to clone now, so please wait. And now let's exit. Step 10, create Odoo log file. Create Odoo configuration file. And let's copy this line and save. So this is for dbhost, dbpor, user password, and add-ons path. And now let's install wq-html. So first let's download. And then install with the dpkg. And this to install. And step 13, run Odoo server. But before running Odoo server, we must install some dependency. So I go to step 15. I must install Sask and libsass and sass to run Odoo without problem. And step 16, add a variable of environment. And let's reload the variable environment now. And let's install libsass now. And step 18 now. Okay, now let's run our Odoo server. Let's run Odoo bin. Okay, it is running on this bar. Let's open now. Your database name, my first database, user, admin. Let's create database. You can also restore if you have a database to restore. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You will find a lot of video. Soon I will upload a new video, and there is a tutorial called Odoo 12. You will find a lot of video. And sure, don't forget to like and comment to support us. So waiting for creation of database. And this is Odoo 12. Let's go to setting. This is the version. You can activate developer mode. I can install some model. For example, let's install a project. And waiting for installation project. And this is a project. The model is installed. So this is how to install Odoo 12 on Ubuntu 18.04. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.